Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to study about how to find the product of the square of binomials and the difference of two squares. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, so we have here example number one. Okay, so it was 4x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. So we need to combine all of this. The, uh, the, the answer is, so this is 4, 7x squared plus 2x. Okay, so what happened here? We just combine this one. 4x and 3x, that's 7x squared, and then 4x minus 2x is 2x, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, and then in here we can use the FOIL method or the box or the table tabular method, whichever you like, no? So we have here x squared, x times x squared, 7 minus 2 is 5x, and then 7 times 2 is, so this is correct, correct, correct. Now how do we get the correct answer? So this will be our topic or lesson. Okay, now our goal here is to multiply the difference of two squares and the square of binomials. Okay, next. So from the FOIL method, we have this, no? We know that the FOIL is the first term, okay? So we have x squared, and then the outer term is x times negative 3, that's negative 3x. The inner term is 3 times x, that is plus 3x. And the outer term is positive 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9. So we got here x squared cancelled, so that's negative 9. Okay? Next, let's move on. That's the correct answer. Okay? Now let's have here the difference of two squares. So the product of a plus b and a minus b is always the square of the first terms minus the square of the second term. All right, next, let's have this one. So we have here a plus b or times a minus b, that's equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so mentally multiply this one. So we have the first term. Okay, what do you think is the answer? So we have 3x squared, that is 9x squared. So always, and then 2 square is 4. So since they have different signs, that is subtract. Okay, next we have 9x squared minus 4. All right, next we have here 3x plus 3 and then x minus 3. So we'll mentally, that is x squared. So just remember guys, in here, ang gagalawin mo lang is the first term and the last term in square binomial. So we have here 2x, that's 4x squared, and then negative 1 times positive 1, that is 4x squared minus 1. Okay, so negative 1. Next, another, we have multiplied mentally. We have 4x to the 6th power, I think, no? So we have here, yeah, okay, so we have, okay, that's 4x, just like that, and then 4x squared, that is 4x to the 6th power, minus y square. All right. Then we have here 4x to the fourth. Okay, so we have 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then the last term is negative 9. Here we have negative 3, no? Positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9x square. Then we have we have 3x. That is 9x square. Then 5 times negative 5 is 25. So, just the first and the last. Yun lang isipin nyo lagi. Same here. We have 2x, 2x times 2x. That's 4x square. And then 1 times 1, that's 5 times 5. That's 1 over 25. That's correct. And then in here, we have 3 times 3. That is 9. X to the fourth minus 0.9. Yan, 0.09. All right, that's correct. Next. Multiplying a binomial by itself is called squaring a binomial. So let's have this one. That's supposed to be like this. So we multiply both sides. Okay, you can use FOIL there or yan. Okay, so that's the no the result, and then we have here there is another technique here. We can use the formula, no? So that we can use the formula here, x squared plus 2 times 3x, okay? And then plus 3 square. You can do this, no? This is also squaring of binomials, okay? So here we use the FOIL method, okay? So, but you can use also this part, so the para madali then. Next, we have uh, x cubed minus 5x 25 or x squared minus 10x plus 25. Okay, so these are the rules. So for a plus b square, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So yun yung rules kanina. A minus b square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So please don't forget the square of binomial rules. Okay, then here, so from the rule, we can use that one. Okay, so just plug a and x and b as 3, plug it into the formula. So we have here x squared plus 2x times 3, that plus 3 squared, that is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, then we have here 4x squared, then we have x squared and negative 20x squared. All right. Okay, so we have here, let's continue. We can mentally multiply this one using the formula. So 2 times 2x times 2x is 4x. And then 2x times 7 is 14. No, 4 times 2 is 28. 7 times 7 is equals to 49. Let's see. Yeah, so that's correct. We can do it mentally. Just use the correct rules or formula. All right. This one is 9x squared minus 30xy plus 25y squared. Correct. Diba? So just like that. Next, we have 16x to the 6, okay, minus 24x to the fourth plus 9x squared. Let's see. Oh, okay, correct. All right, guys. So that's it for today. And then please do if you have questions, just go back to the this video and so that you can solve properly, and then we can have our own. Okay, so let's have now. This is a saying from Richard Courant, German American mathematician. Mathematics is an expression of human mind, reflects the active will, the contemplative reason, and the desire for aesthetic perfection. Its basic elements are logic and intuition, analysis and construction, generality and individuality. That's all for today. God bless everyone. Happy Monday.